The Uniswap token may catch you by surprise. We will check out the Uni chart. We have some Uniswap news, and we can't forget about good old Bitcoin. So what up, homies? It's the crypto homie back at you with one of those videos. So let's dive right into it. As we can see, Uniswap token, it's been hanging in here, guys. We saw it pop up to, above $8 when it first got launched on every platform that was out there. I mean, it was amazing. Every platform picked it up, put USD pairs on it, put all those fiat pairs, put all those crypto to crypto pairs on it. It was fabulous. But look, the run wasn't too fabulous. We thought we were going to hold $4.93 right there, the $5 region, and it did not happen. Very disappointed. Then we thought we were going to hold around $3.20 for a while, and obviously, as time can tell, that did not happen. And then we thought we'd eventually hold 250. That did not happen. But guess what happened? We held right here around $1.93. We fell down as low as around $1.75. Bounced off this. Look, we have a nice V shape right here. This right here, my homies, looks like a V shape recovery. Let's see this. Hold to 250, break through 320, and as we zoom out, we have this rocket ship in the future to see. So nice rocket ship right there. Maybe it'll hop on there and just go way past $8. Hit that $15, $20 region. But I mean, people are so we zoom in here. People were so bearish. They're like, oh, this thing's a scam. This thing's done. Uni token, it's garbage. It's going to zero. I think this is going to be the first I think this is going to be the first token that's listed on major exchanges that goes to zero. That's what I read in the comments. That's what I read on Twitter. That's what I've seen online. And it was like, whoa, you know what this means? It's a great buying opportunity, because when everybody is saying, oh, this is garbage, oh, this is trash, there's nothing good about it, guess what? That's the time you want to be buying. You want to buy low, sell high. Buy down here, sell when everybody's buying up here, because people don't have the balls to buy down here because they think it's going to zero. But yeah, so that's what's up with Uni right now. It's looking pretty good. I mean, like I said, we had to see a bounce of eventually, even if you bought in here at the 250 region, that's still a great buy. Still a great buy, because right now you're still up. And at the end of the day, the people that are still doubting it right now, they're like, oh yeah, just come back a little bit, whatever. Guess what? When it breaks $8, when it breaks $5, those people are going to be buying back in, and then you're going to be hopefully taking some profit and just sitting on those sweet good old gains. So moving up to our first bit of news today about Uniswap. This was on Uniswap Protocol at Uniswap Protocol on Twitter. So we see, great work building tools to onboard more people to DeFi at Dharma HQ. So we scroll down, see Dharma tweeted out, today we are excited to give Dharma users the ability to buy tokens in Uniswap directly from a bank account. It says up to $25,000 per week. Any token in Uniswap protocol, currently limited to 13 states in the USA. Hey, this is great. This is what I like to see. I like to see more fiat on-ramps. Yes, especially to Uniswap. That is amazing, because the thing is, at the end of the day, these decentralized exchanges are great. It's nice to have that. There's no middleman. There's no government that can shut it down. But how are we going to take our dollars we earn? Let's say if you earn the US dollar for a paycheck, if you earn a euro, whatever, how are we going to take our hard-earned dollars and then convert it into crypto? Well, we have to use some kind of centralized exchange to buy, Bitcoin, to buy Ethereum, to buy Tether, to buy whatever, and then convert it. So I mean, like the biggest pairs are obviously Ethereum on Uniswap, but how are you going to do that? And hey, they're offering more ways to where you can actually just take your hard-earned dollar and directly buy from Uniswap. That's what I'm liking to see. This is a great integration. There's so many integrations on Uniswap. It's just great to see another great one out there. So, and hey, are you guys in one of these 13 states? If you are, that's cool. I need to dive more to see the exact states and to see what the fees are, because obviously the fees, can be a big deal. So moving on to the next bit of news about Uniswap. So that right there is the same thing. It's actually this one right here. It says Uniswap protocol. Uniswap trading is now natively integrated into Trust Wallet app. I don't know about you homies, but this is amazing. It says we've added Uniswap protocol support into Trust Wallet swap function. The benefits of this integration for Trust Swap users are lower network fees for swaps. That's a big deal. Everybody hates those high fees. Smaller slippage when you trade. That's another big deal. Better liquidity and more assets to swap. And you can learn more by reading more. That is a big deal. You're going to have lower fees, less slippage, and better liquidity. That's what we like to see. So obviously this is something great. If you guys use the Trust Wallet, that's great. What if one day the Ledger wallet, like Ledger Live, has this integrated? In my opinion, that would be great to be able to just trade directly from your Ledger without actually having to go to Uniswap decentralized exchange. So I mean, this is directly in the wallet, just like with on Ledger Live, you can directly buy some crypto through their payment process or whatever they have. I haven't like actually done that, but it is there and it is an option. So if they could, maybe Ledger will integrate Uniswap in the future. That would be great, especially a year from now. I think a lot more integrations for Uniswap will be around, and by then we'll have V3. So version 3 of Uniswap, just wait for it. It's gonna be amazing. And to all those haters that said Uniswap's going to zero, I don't think so, homie. I don't think so. So the market's looking good. Everything's looking good. We got to catch up with some good old Bitcoin. Okay, we cannot forget about this. Currently, well, this is exciting because it just happened, like really recent. We just broke 16K. This is a big deal. Look, how many days have we been above 15,000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're on our 8th day. This is massive news right here. 8 days above 15K. I mean, right now we're above 16. This is what I like to see. We pull up on the weekly. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is what I want to see. I want to see us close here. And obviously we go into the monthly. Oh, homie, this would be amazing. We got to close above 16K on the monthly. That would be beautiful. Especially if we zoom out. That'd be our highest monthly close in the history of Bitcoin. We have all this bullish news. Everything's looking so bullish. Let's go check out the Fear and Greed Index. So as we can see here, we're at 87 for today. Yesterday, we were at 86. Last week, we were at 72. Last month, remember, we were at 56. We were a little on the greedy side. I mean, yeah, greed and fear. We have massive greed right now, but 2 months ago, we were pretty fearful. We were over here. Just keep that in mind how fast it switches. People go from fear to greed, greed to fear real quick. Scrolling back down to our all-time history for the fear and greed. As we said, we needed to hold this down here around 38 to 40. We did. We bounced off it. We broke through the 56 region area, broke through here. Now we're like up here. Our all-time high ever was around 96 back here in June 2019. I would like to see us to get up there. That's when I expect us to see protein way closer to 20K. I do personally expect a major pullback to happen. We just had such bullish momentum, a major pullback. And when I say that, a major pullback, I wouldn't be surprised to see us hit 12.5 or 10.5, but it's going to be like one of those intraday or 1 or 2 day moves. It's not going to last long. If you don't have a buy order, you're probably not going to be able to buy. It's going to scare, it's going to scare everybody. But guess what? The people that know what they're doing, they have their buy orders ready. They're ready to buy it up because they want that good deal. I remember December 2017, Bitcoin's hanging around 12K, 13K. It smacked down to 8K. Everybody's freaking out. But guess what? Next day, right back up to 12. So guess what? I'm expecting one of those to happen. So have your buy orders in ready. Not financial advice, obviously, but I'm waiting for that, for that to happen. We're a little too greedy. I expect us to hang out here for maybe another month. I wouldn't be surprised to hang out here for like a month or so. It's honestly very hard to time that, but a couple weeks up here, we smack back down and then just shock everybody because everybody by then will be so greedy. So whenever we see the sentiment extra greedy, yeah, pullback will be imminent in my humble opinion. So moving on to a tweet by Matty Sats at Matty Sats. If you bought and stacked and have continued to hold a Bitcoin since 2009 to 2019, congratulations. You have the vision and we're smarter than Michael Saylor. At Jack, CEO of Twitter, Paul Tudor Jones, Bill Miller, Stan Druckenmiller, JP Morgan, and the list goes on. So basically, if you buy and hold some Bitcoin for 10 years, you're smarter than pretty much all the hedge fund managers, all the financial gurus. So just keep that in mind. If you did that, that's great for you. And if not, hey, get in now and hold for 10 years. See what happens. All right, homies, that's a wrap for this video. As always, not financial advice, pure entertainment, educational purposes only. Like the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more content. Because Crypto Homie signing out.